Hi everyone, myself Harshita S. I'm currently pursuing my 6th SEM in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My today's topic is all about the cloud computing. In that, we'll see how the cloud computing is based on the online blood bank system. So first, let us see what is cloud-based online blood bank system. So the software system is an online blood bank management system that helps in managing various blood bank operations efficiently. The project consists of a central respiratory containing various blood deposits available along with associated details hosted on Windows-based cloud server. These details include the blood type, the storage area, and the date of storage, and these details will help in maintaining and monitoring the blood deposits. The project is an online system that allows us to check whether the required blood deposits of a particular group are available in the blood bank that is efficiently using the cloud server. Moreover, the system also has added features such as patient name, contacts, booking, and even the need for certain blood group is posted on the website to find available donors for a blood emergency. This online system is developed on .NET with Azure Cloud Platform and supported by an SQL database in order to store the blood and user-specific details. So this blood bank management system is a web-based application that is related to the administrative and inventory management in a blood bank, which maintains the organizes, retrieves, and analyzes data. We developed an application to make the procedure of requesting the blood and increase the availability. With a specific blood group which is required urgently, you can utilize the app in order to contact only those who have not used that blood group. And this system is made up of various modules that will keep the track of blood and blood requests and hospitals. Our web application will attract a huge number of blood donors, and the cloud-based systems can be useful in emergency blood supply since they allow for a central and fast access for a donor data and location from nearly any place and device. And because practically everyone has a cell phone, it allows for a real-time location, tracking, and communication. As a result, the online blood bank could be a lifesaver for the blood donors. It is healthy donating blood. So we have created an application to simplify the blood donation process. The donor can easily locate where her blood group is needed, and those locations could be either be entities or individuals that urgently needed the donor's blood group. When there is an urgent need for a particular blood group, you can use the app to contact only the people having the required blood group. And this system contains different modules to maintain blood and blood donors. Emergency situations where accidents occur create an immediate critical need for specific blood types. In addition to this emergency need, advances in medicine have increased, and the need for the blood in many ongoing treatments and elective surgeries. Despite increasing the necessity of blood, only 5% of the Indian population will donate blood. In our project, we'll suppose a new and efficient way to overcome such scenarios, and a large number of blood donors are attracting using an Android application. Cloud-based services can prove improvement in emergency blood delivery since they can enable central and immediate access to the donor's data and location from anywhere and almost any of this device. Since almost everyone carries a mobile phone with them, it ensures instant location tracking and communication. And using this GPS, and we find donors nearer to the location from where the request will be generated. Thus, the mobile blood bank can prove to be a boon for blood requesters. So this is a simple diagram of how the cloud-based online blood bank system works. So you can see the donation, how it saves the life. Next, so where and all this blood bank will be used is nothing but this web-based online or offline software where no dedicated internet connection is required. It is used in an online app where it is having a useful information that can be accessed through the mobile app, and easeful where user-friendly, robust, easy to install software, interface ready, that is connect blood bank analyzers and equipment, moderate impact, that is the study software never fails, support available full working hours, and simple to use, that is minimum training required. And the search your blood bank through NetBank system search engine, patient will locate you automatically. So to these forms, you can automatically locate wherever you want to find the blood. So through these forms, you can search and form the blood forms. Next, the user has to first download this application. He or she will be provided with two options, that is login and sign in. If the person has already registered, then he or she has to log in. If not, he or she has to create an account providing the basic details like name, address, contact, date of birth, blood group, email ID, etc. And the user is allowed to update his or her information. Once the user registers, he or she will check various blood banks that are located, and the user will get various options that are on the screen. There is a blood camps, search donors, search blood banks, requested for blood, nearby hospital, view notification, emergency contact details. So this is the simple block diagram of how your proposed system of the blood bank system works. So first we are giving the LCD, and it will be given to the Arduino Mega, and then it will be given with an array of IR sensor. Then the temperature sensor is given. Then it will be connected with an Wi-Fi module, then to the GSM module. Then the user is used to get all this information, and it is using the cloud computing computation application. What are the functional requirements for this blood bank donor is nothing but the administrator should have access to all the details of blood donors, and the blood banks, hospitals, etc. could browse for blood donors in their nearby area and also search the result that should provide only those donors who have not donated blood in last 3 months. And blood donors should also be asked to give the feedback of the health report of the donors for the future consideration after the blood donation has been made by the donor. No user could access any details of donors without being a member of contact of website, and only the hospitals, blood banks, etc. should be able to see the contact details of donors. Blood donor should be allowed to see only the name and religion in which they live. The region in they live in. And also if they need to ask another blood bank for any blood donation, help it should be through admin and proper reason for which there should be a form to be filled by the donor. Next, the existing system. So the existing system is nothing but as per the information that has been obtained from the blood bank and hospital, we had understood the following working system of blood bank. There is a growing need of blood, but one cannot produce blood in laboratory. So blood bank and hospital are depending on the blood donated by the donors. So to promote donors to donate blood bank and hospital will recognize blood donation camps, or one can call donors by calling them by the phone number provided by the particular donor in the form. This existing system is the manual system in which the donors will first visit the hospital and check the following factors. So we'll see what are those factors. Those factors are nothing but the filling up the form, donating the blood, and searching the record. So next is what are the applications and where we are using this blood donating system and this cloud computing system that can be used for blood donation. That is nothing but all the process of applications of submission of registration form is quite simple. Department can contain information that is regarding various blood groups, and people can get registration by sitting at home, and donors can view the blood donation camp organizing at different places. Donors can also check his blood group, medical story, whether it is healthy or unhealthy. And seekers can get the information of the particular blood group accessible in the blood bank. Seeker can get the blood units according to his requirement from the blood group. So the probability of error should be minima, and the blood storage and effective blood management and healthy blood will be provided. So this is our camp. So this will be the blood bank. So the blood donation camp, blood donor, the hospital, and the blood beneficiary. So we'll see what are the advantages of blood donation. So donating blood can help people with many health conditions such as any curable diseases, having internal or external bleeding due to an injury, having sickle cell disease or another illness that affects the blood, or undergoing cancer treatment, or undergoing surgery such as cardiovascular or orthopedic surgery, have an inherited blood disorder, or undergoing a transplant and needs treatment involving plasma or other blood products. So these are the advantages of blood donation. So benefits for the donor is nothing but for many people, blood donation offers many health benefits with few risks. The risk regulation of blood banks means that a donor can give their blood or plasma safely in the United States. The donated blood can save the lives of people in need. However, according to some medical professionals, it may also benefit the donor. The sections below will look at some of the benefits for donor in more detail, that is identifying the advanced benefit health, and each person who donates blood completes a simple physical examination and blood test before giving blood. So donate blood and save life, which is a famous quote and which is very important for saving life. Thank you.